Hello, my name is Hanna. I'm a teacher in Hangu Gymnasium in Finland, so are my colleagues here. We took part in a course organized by CEEDCV in Valencia in Spain some time ago. It was a really good course and I really liked all the arrangements that our hosts had made.
Hello, my name is Lena and I also participated in the same course in Valencia, and I can say that we are very satisfied with the course. I have been using Moodle before, but during the course I learned how to use Moodle in a more versatile manner.
My name is Johan. I also found the course very interesting and well organized, and I think the course gave me a lot of new ideas how to use these ideas in web-based learning sometimes in the future.